Hello everyone, my name is Krishna. This video is being recorded for Dr. Grant's class, which is Advanced Digital Media Technologies at Eastern Illinois University. Today we'll be seeing how to work on 3D mesh preset objects in Adobe Photoshop. After you open the Adobe Photoshop, first thing we need to do is create a new file and give a name to that file, and make sure this is preset to web so that it will have its resolution or the pixels whatever it wants. Press OK and make sure that this thing is set to 3D, because by default it will be set to Essentials. Here under the 3D panel we need to set this to Mesh from Preset, and so that we'll get different 3D objects to work on the screen. So for this example I'll be choosing a cone and press Create. So we got the cone here, and we have different options. Like the first option we have here is filter by whole scene, where we can filter the whole thing, the cone, the background and all that. And the second option we have here is filter by mesh, where we can filter only the mesh of the 3D object we selected. The third option we have here is filter by materials. Like the cone which I selected here has two materials, which is cone material and the bottom material, which is the base. The fourth option is filter by light, where we have the infinite light already, through which we can project the shadow in whatever direction we want. And there's another option for this light, which is at the bottom. It has the bulb symbol on that. So if we press this, we'll get three different options, which is the point light, spotlight and infinite light. The infinite light is the one which we already have, and when I select the spotlight, we'll get it's a kind of focus light where we can focus on a particular part of the object. Like because it's white material, we can't see it right now. Maybe I'll do it later. For now I'm turning it off. So let's work on this cone a little bit more. I'd like to rotate this cone a bit and reduce the size of this. So yeah, if we want to change the color of the cone, then we can go to cone material. I mean the third option, which says filter by materials. So if I want to change the color of this material, just click on the cone material and select this the image here, so that we get different options like this. Or else you can directly change a monocolor like this. I mean, for this material we cannot change the color, so I'll be choosing a specified one which is already existing, like one of these. So I colored my cone, and we can even increase the shine or decrease it, its reflection, its roughness, its bump. So we can see the changes in that. Opacity, which is the transparency. So I want it clear, so the opacity is 100%. And finally the refraction. So if you want to add another object to this, just click on the cone, right click and add another object by selecting one of this. I would like to add a sphere. So first I need to change this to inches, then I need to set the dimensions. Like, because we set the units to inches, the object will be really big, so I'll just give it 0.5 inches. Okay, here we got the object. Move it sideways. Okay, yeah, it's too small. Okay, now I would like to put the object on this. Alright, now the same thing even with the second object we selected. We can change the color by selecting the sphere here, or the sphere material. So if I select a different one like this, it's red in color. Because if I want to change the color of that, I can even do that by a monocolor like this. So that is how we can work on the 3D mesh preset objects. Now here I have the blueberry ice cream. You gotta try one of these. Thank you for watching my video. Signing off, Krishna.